These lyrics are making me so sad. What's up guys, we are K-Popsis back at you with another video. I'm Megan.
I'm Brianna.
And we are sisters, super into K-pop. So, I don't know if anybody knew about this, other than, of course, RM and everyone else that he's associated with. But RM came out with new stuff. I've been looking at things that were supposed to be released this month, and I don't ever remember seeing this. And I look at a couple of different places too. So, I don't know. Maybe it was just like, surprise! Or maybe I just look in the wrong places for K-pop news. But yeah, RM has a new music video and song out called Forever Rain. Let's go, RM. Raindrop? Is that a raindrop?
I think so.
Oh, me too. Is that the sun? No. Wait. Oh, it's a reflection.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Or it could be the moon. We don't know if it's sunny. Wait, where'd it go? Me too, RM. What's wrong with RM? Whoa, oh my god. I was just looking at the lyrics.
That's cool.
Wow. I like that guitar. You hear that guitar in the background?
Yeah.
Super subtle.
Maybe he made this song when it was raining.
I mean, it sounds like that could be the case. Oh, I love that guitar. There he goes with his singing again. Just like in Trivia Love. I love whenever RM, I was gonna say laughs, when he sings. I love it when he laughs too. These lyrics are making me so sad. Oh, I will.
Aww. I'll stay by your side, RM. I like this part.
Me too. Is he gonna do all the shadow things? Now we got an acoustic and an electric. Wow, it actually looks a lot like him.
I like the hair.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. I was not expecting this. With the title, I mean, I guess I probably could have anticipated it a little, but... I love that electric guitar! It fits so well. Wow. Okay. Song is amazing. The video was like super visual, but yet I was still able to look at the lyrics like the whole time. So like, I think the video really went with like the mood of the song for sure. I like how it's black and white. I can kind of see the context of it being black and white through the lyrics. But lyrics though, I mean, I like them, but I'm hoping he's okay because, oh,
those are very intense.
Those were some very rough lyrics that definitely sounded like somebody that's not feeling like they're in a very good place. And, you know, I mean, we all have our moods and stuff, so maybe he was just in a mood and he wrote, if he did write the song, I haven't even looked into where the song came from or who wrote it or what, but I hope RM is okay. That was really good though. I loved it. This is totally different from his other solo stuff he's released.
Yeah.
I was expecting different. I don't know if I was expecting this mellowed out and kind of sad, but I loved it. It was really good. I'm just concerned. I hope he's okay. And yeah, I don't even know what to say about it. I'm very concerned for him. Like, I don't know if it's like super obvious on my face, but I'm very concerned for him. I hope he's okay. RM's amazing. He's very talented and he's just very smart. He's a smart guy, and sometimes being as occupied as a person as RM is, you can just kind of forget about your own feelings, and I'm hoping that he's still taking himself, like his emotional state, into consideration always. So RM released his mixtape today. It was at midnight in Korea, so here it was like, what, 11 a.m. I want to say. The mixtape is called Mono, and we have not heard it yet, but I do look forward to it. And check out RM's mixtape, listen to it well, and love it. And love RM. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to click the subscription button down below. Click the notification bell right beside it so you can see when we post, because we do frequently. And we will see you next time here on K-Pop Sis. Bye!